Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use fat burner supplements effectively. First, understand that these supplements are designed to support your weight loss journey, not replace effort. They often contain ingredients like caffeine, green tea extract, and L-carnitine, which can help boost metabolism and energy. Remember, fat burners are most effective when integrated into a comprehensive plan that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Proper dosage and timing are crucial for safety and effectiveness. Always adhere strictly to the manufacturer's instructions on the product label. Generally, you'll take these supplements with a glass of water, often 15 to 30 minutes before your main meals. It's also wise to avoid taking them too late in the afternoon or evening, as the stimulant content can interfere with your sleep patterns, impacting your overall well-being. For optimal results, fat burner supplements must be combined with a consistent, healthy lifestyle. Focus on a calorie-controlled diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Complement this with a balanced exercise routine that includes both cardiovascular activity and strength training. Don't forget the importance of hydration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day to support metabolic functions. While generally safe when used correctly, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals might experience jitters, nausea, or an increased heart rate, especially due to stimulant content. Always consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine, particularly if you have existing health conditions. Never exceed the recommended dosage, as this can increase the risk of adverse reactions and offers no additional benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.